Hey, how's it going? I have a nifty little gadget I'd like to show you. It's a Milwaukee M12 installation drill driver tool. But that's not the purpose of this video. Stick around and I'll show you why you need to convince your significant other to let you buy another tool that'll help you make your shop even better and help this tool work harder. First off, the drill. It runs off the M12 family of batteries. It's a brushless motor and it provides 300 inch-pounds of max torque, so it's not exactly a lightweight. The installation driver has 4 different heads. It has a 3/8 inch chuck. It has an offset driver, and this is extremely handy for getting those hard-to-reach fasteners. It has a 1/4 inch hex driver. And it has a right angle attachment. And each head can attach in 16 different positions. So you can slide this in there like that, put it out, slide it in there like that, however you want. And the nice thing is, some of the heads you can combine. So say you needed to get a 3/8 inch chuck up under a cabinet. Well, there you go. That's handy. Or say you had a hard to reach fastener that was right at the edge, right around a corner. So you just do that sucker. So this is extremely versatile. The driver itself is really narrow. It's got a slim profile, and the top of the tool is flat. So it allows you to kind of just get right in there. It gives you even more access so you can put the tool flush against surfaces. It just gives you that little extra room when you need to get a stubborn fastener location. There's also a magnetic bit holder, and there's a compass in the stock with this thing which tells time.
What I want for Christmas is a Red Ryder BB gun with a compass in the stock and this thing which tells time.
I could be wrong on that part. Anyway, the tool's fantastic, and you should totally get it. And I bought this with my wife's money, so this isn't a paid review. And I've been reaching for this as my go-to assembly tool on Christmas Eve for the past few years now. And that's it for the tool review.
Exactly.
Now I promise you another even bigger tool.
Wow, you look more manly. You look buffered. You look bigger.
And that tool is a 3D printer. I know what you're thinking. I don't need any fancy newfangled 3D print orbs. That's for those crazy hippie teenagers and their crime-solving canine. But let me stop you right there, because a 3D printer can help you make your tools work even harder, and for a lot less money than you might think. For the cost of this Milwaukee driver, you could buy a shiny new Ender 3 Pro and use it for all kinds of functional projects. Take a look at this organizer. I printed this to keep the drill driver heads from getting lost in my sock drawer. They just snap down in there. There we go. And you can mount it to a pegboard or a wall. It keeps everything organized. In my next video, I'm going to show you how an Arctic bumpkin like yours truly can print off this organizer and other things like it with zero knowledge of programming or CAD software or anything like this. Matter of fact, I just found this file free online. This isn't my design. I just took someone else's design that they allow us to print for free, put it in my slicer software, and then uploaded it right to my printer, clicked print, and voila, I had this organizer. So don't worry, this isn't turning into a 3D printing channel, but if you're looking for creative ways to boost your productivity and have a little fun at the same time, then stay tuned. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching.